acceleration during this takeoff roll, the rotation will be at 115 knots. First and second. Frecce Tricolori 2024. Entry. Let's go up, addressed to his wingman by the voice of Pony One, and this will be the great separation of the cardioid. On the first amazing crossing. The two sections, the last of the row of 4. For the tutti, via by the voice of Major Oscar Del Dote, second slot. The first minutes amazing flight, but let's look at the left because the solo pilot is coming for the first figure of his program. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here are 4 consecutive 90 degrees rolls. Pony number 1 from the right is now going to show us how to perform a roll with 9 aircrafts. The rotation along the axis is performed with a twisting flight path like drawing the internal of a giant barrel. It looks like just one huge airplane is performing this maneuver, but each aircraft in this moment is following a different line in order to maintain the right position within the formation, closing. Solo pilot again with another maneuver along the display line, 350 knots, white smoke, inverted flight. Roll at the display center and inverted again. Is proving the technical features of our by Major Raspa. Green with red, this was the wingman roll, and then Apollo 313. Apollo, because sections separate a unit where 100 people, officers and NCOs are on duty every day to make this spectacular flight possible. Second section, shaping back from Little Swan to left. Again, the solo comes with this aileron roll series. You can count again within while turning. It will take 12 seconds to fly along the 3 kilometers display of this line. Never stopping this rotation. And as a tradition, it's going to be accompanied by the magic voice of Andrea Bocelli. Con te partirò, vissuto con te, adesso sì vivrò con te. Oh, con te io vivrò. Camera ready for the crossing. 3, 2, 1, shot! Full throttle entering the 7, 9, and 3. At this moment aboard his MB-239, everything is waiting 7 times more. He draws a perfect circle with the white smoke. Then goes inverted and up. Pony number 5, Captain Alessandro Sommariva, and Pony number 5, Captain Simone Fanfarillo start rolling at the same time and repositioning in second wing at the back of the formation. Then wingman in a line, drawing a calice, shade, why not, of the time. Here is the calice of the main formation of his leaving now on the left, in a while, changing again its shape, but let's look again for a high-skill maneuver exalting pilot capability of coordinating flight controls, cloche and rudder pedals to maintain aircraft perfectly in group. This time it's going to be a right-handed roll performed in a configuration increasing considerably the difficulty of execution of this maneuver. The formation rotates gently around its axis as if it were a single giant airlifter long about 70 meters. This was the grace of the pilot while he's being literally pushed out of the cockpit by a force about 3 times his weight. Triangle, which is now going up with the green, white, and red of the Italian flag. The solo pilot nose down and then up, climbing vertical like riding the smokes of the main formation and inserts in the separation of the two sections. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the break of the Arizona. An historical figure by Frecce Tricolori dedicated to a place that used to be to all of you. With his next maneuver, white smoke, stick, full throttle back to the belly and up, up, standing to the blue sky over Sacramento up to 40,000 feet. The air is becoming heavier and heavier over his M83-9 and at the end, low weight, the gravity force will be the winner. Zero speed for an instant and then down inside his arms moves. Ladies and gents, this is the tail slide of solo of Frecce Tricolori. Today the great emotion of the green, white, red of the tricolor spark, la scintilla tricolore. Frecce Tricolori, one of the few jets in the world able to perform the long solar. Therefore, let's introduce him. He's our pony number 10 at his first season as Frecce Tricolori solo. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to clap your hands for Major Federico de Cecco. Via. Carli, via. Carli, via. Pony number 2, Captain Luca Pozzani, and Pony 3, Captain Leonardo Leo, rolling around. Second wingman, then again getting the original position while Ponies 4 and 5 roll around them. Then spots out above our heads and preparing for the most spectacular separation in our program. Ladies and gentlemen, for you today, the amazing split of the bomb. It's gonna be 9 different directions, 3 different levels of vertical separation. Don't miss the most breathtaking crossing of the show. Just 100 kilometers per hour between the stall speed and gear overspeed. That's how Major De Cecco is demonstrating the exceptional maneuverability skill of this Italian twin-seat jet trainer by Leonardo aircraft, fully manufactured and maintained in Italy and also used at our 61st week in Lecce, Galatina, south of Italy, to train our military pilots. IFTS, International Flight Training School, a flagship. The 39 Tricolor belly during this low-speed Schneider turn with aerobrake extended. Less than 2 meters of distance between aircraft for a flight, while from the left, again, the Sole is coming for what is probably the most renowned figure in his repertoire. 39. Ladies and gents, this is the spectacular Crazy Flight. Breaking now is our leader, Major Pierluigi Raspa, then pony number 2, Captain Luca Pozzani, pony number 3, Captain Leonardo Leo, pony number 4, Captain Alessandro Sommariva, pony number 5, Captain Simone Fanfarillo. Pony number 6, our first lot, the leader of second section, is responsible for all the page and Italian Air Force, the Aeronautica Militare in all major social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook.